Namaste everyone, I welcome you all. Babies who are exclusively breastfed will get the best start of growth, development and health. However, babies who are not breastfed need a suitable breast milk substitute, for example, infant formula. Talking of powdered infant formula, always remember the powdered infant formula is not sterile. Sometimes it may contain bacteria which can cause illness in infants. But by preparing and storing powdered infant formula, you can reduce the risk of illness in infants. Today I am going to help you on this. I'll be sharing complete information on how to prepare bottle feed by using powdered infant formula as safely as possible. So let's begin with our today's video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Keep watching. As you may know that infants' immune system is not as strong as of adults, so it is very much important that all the equipments that are used to feed and to prepare feed for babies has been thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before use. This cleaning and sterilizing of equipments remove bacteria that could grow in the feed and make infants ill. Now before you start preparing feed for baby, always wash your hands with soap and water and dry them with clean cloth. Wash all preparation and feeding equipments using hot soapy water. Use clean bottle and teat brush to scrub inside and outside of bottle and teat to make sure all remaining feed is removed, especially from the areas which are hard to reach. Rinse the bottle thoroughly using safe water after you wash it. These cleaned equipments can be sterilized using commercial sterilizer. Always follow manufacturer's instruction for the sterilization. You can also use pan and boiling water to sterilize the bottle feed equipments. Next important step is storing. If you are going to remove sterilized feeding and preparation equipments before use, then make sure you keep them covered and keep them on a clean surface. Always remember to fully assemble baby's feeding bottle. If you are removing it from sterilizer before you use it, it will help to prevent inside of bottle and inside and outside of teat becoming contaminated again. Good hygiene is very important when making up formula feed, as this will reduce the chances of your baby getting an infection. So follow these steps, follow the guide I am sharing here to make formula feed as safely as possible. Well, first thing first, clean and disinfect the surface on which you are going to prepare the feed for baby. Next, hygiene rule is very important. Always wash your hands with soap and water and dry them with clean or disposable cloth. Next step is boiling of water to prepare bottle feed. Use safe water for boiling. If you are using automatic kettle, wait until the kettle switches off. If you are boiling it on gas, allow it to rolling boil, then let it boil for 5 minutes. Then you can switch off the gas and keep the lid covered. Also, do not use bottled water to prepare bottle feed, because first thing, it is not sterile. Second, sodium content may be high, so it is not suitable for babies. Once boiled water and sterilized bottle is ready, before you prepare formula feed for baby, always read manufacturer's instruction how much formula and how much water you need, because adding less or more of formula can make infant ill. There is an additional step to follow for those who are using cold water sterilizer. Shake off any excess solution from the bottle and the teat and then rinse them thoroughly with cooled boiled water from the kettle. Do not use tap water for it. Now it's time to start preparing formula feed for baby. Pour the correct amount of boiled water into cleaned and sterilized feeding bottle. Make sure the temperature of water is no cooler than 70 degrees Celsius. That is, after boiling, do not leave it for more than 30 minutes. In the next step, loosely fill the scoop with formula powder following right manufacturer's instruction, and then level it using clean dry knife or leveler provided with it. Well, thing to remember here is that different infant formula tin comes with different scoops. Make sure you are using the same scoop comes with formula. Now once you have added right amount of powdered infant formula into the feeding bottle, hold the teat from the edge and put it into the retaining ring. Make sure it is secure and then screw the ring onto the bottle. Cover the teat with the cap and start shaking it thoroughly and gently until the powder gets dissolved. Immediately cool prepared formula milk to feeding temperature. You can do this by placing it into the cold or ice water container or by holding the bottle under cold running tap water. Make sure the level of cooling water is below the lid of bottle so that you are not contaminating the feed. Dry the outside of bottle using clean or disposable cloth. Now before you offer this prepared formula milk to your baby, check the temperature by dripping a little onto inside of your wrist. It should feel lukewarm, not hot. If it is still hot, cool some more before feeding. Prepared formula milk with right feeding temperature is now ready to be consumed. Feed your infant. Last, but it is one of the most important thing to keep in mind is that you throw away any feed that has not been consumed within 2 hours. Now I'll talk in brief a little about storing of bottle feed, where it is best for your baby that you prepare fresh feed each time they need and consume immediately, because prepared bottle feed provide ideal condition for bacteria to grow, especially if they are kept at room temperature. However, if you need to prepare feeds in advance to use them later, prepare each in individual bottle and then immediately cool it down and put it in refrigerator at temperature no higher than 5 degrees Celsius. Remember that you must throw away any prepared feed that is refrigerator and has not been used within 24 hours. Also, if you do not refrigerate, do not prepare feed in advance. Prepare fresh when it is needed. Now another question comes here is how to use and rewarm refrigerated bottle feed. Well, remove the bottle of feed from refrigerator just before you need them. Rewarm no more than 15 minutes in warm water and make sure that level of warm water is below the top of cup. Occasionally shakes or swirls the bottle to make sure that it heats evenly. Remember not to use microwave to rewarm baby's bottle feed because it may heat unevenly and cause hot spot and burn your baby's mouth. Check the temperature by dripping a little onto inside of your wrist. It should be lukewarm, not hot. Throw away any remaining rewarmed bottle feed not consumed within 2 hours. Now, talking of storing of baby's powdered infant formula, do not store packaging in the refrigerator. Keep it in cool and dry place. Most of these baby formula needs to be consumed within 1 month from opening. Check the manufacturer's instruction when you first open the container. Write the date on the lid so that it helps you to remember. Lastly, do not use baby formula after use by date written on container. So friends, that was all about right and safe way to prepare infant formula milk and correct storage. I hope you found this video useful and I believe it will contribute to your baby's right growth and development. If you have any question or queries, write in the comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more baby health videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay fit.